Good evening. Hope all is going well for you tonight. Making sure that you are on track with week number 3. In our modules, you can see that we had the objectives. You had animal domestication. We had a discussion board about hunters and gatherers. And then I wanted you to send me your 5 topics in your journal. Please make sure that you're keeping up with your journal articles. Then we had quiz number 2. Some of you are struggling on the quiz because you're not watching the video. Please make sure that you go back up and watch the video, and that will help you to understand the book. And so if you look in week 2, part 1 of Jared Diamond, you'll see that this is about a 45-minute video, and you will watch this video, and then it will also help you to do better on the quizzes. So make sure that you're working on that. I'll be uploading the next part of the book as well next week. So again, part 1, Jared Diamond, is up in week number 2. So after you've read chapters 1 through 3 and you've watched the video, you want to take the quiz on chapters 1 through 3. 15 points. Again, it's not going to kill you, but it's a great way to get 15 extra points. So I think everything was pretty self-explanatory up above. Then we move into your group projects, and I know some of you might be a little bit confused, and so I kind of just wanted to walk through this project with you real quick. I have assigned you groups, and then you will also be asked to see if I can get this into your screen. In groups of 4 to 6, you're going to research, prepare, and present a current agriculture-related topic. One topic could be labor. One topic could be environmental impact. One topic could be our PETA organizations that are currently targeting some of our agriculture industry. You're going to want to have a response from each of your members. You want an overview of the current issue. For instance, if it was water, do we need to build another dam? How long has the water scarcity been happening? How big is the problem? Some key dilemmas, and then some possible solutions. Each person will need to play a role, and this will be due on October 20th. You'll choose the issue, outline it, provide background, identify, and then summarize. In your groups, I'll get to that in a minute. So once you get that done, I need to find a group leader who's going to tell me what your topic is, and then who your group members are. I've also included how I'll be grading this, and you can see that this is worth 100 points per person. You will turn it in once, and your group leader will turn it in because I'll have everyone's names listed here. So please make sure that you're getting to start on that. You'll have till the 20th. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And then this takes us over to people. And when I click on my people, it pops up with your agriculture issues discussion group. So if you look into the discussion groups, then I have all of the people listed here. These are the groups that you should be looking for. If you click discussions in your modules, it will also pull these up so that you know which ones that you are looking for and who's on and who's actually talking. So please make sure that you're looking on the discussion so you're not the last one coming to the table for these environmental issues or what issues your group is going to pick. Again, you need to be reading through chapter 3. You need to go through the PowerPoint. You need to have your journal topics ready. Next week we'll be starting week 4, and I will be doing a topical journal check, making sure that you have at least 10 of these journals going already on week 4. So please be ready for that. The other thing that I'm going to do next week on Tuesday is I'm going to require that everybody checks in during the Zoom so that I know that everybody's doing okay and that we can ask some questions. So it will actually be worth points during week number 4. Hope all is going well. If there are any issues, please make sure you email me or come by my office. Several of you have been coming by my office, and I appreciate that. So have a great night, and we will talk to you next week.